playing for, the celebrant will be ushered in by the masquerade group, the Oboja.
I'm wishing Ngozi a very happy celebration. This church.
We recognize here her input so to us here, I was we commemorate that but we are actually Australia here. So a blind is here. He has also what they hold you may horn Chineke. Nay, magic, magic. I can only when he had only a woman here where he horn and
Grace before the cross. Thank you very much.
Lolo, Ngozi Igbo Mmiri Oma, Nami, Igbo that's the guy that on here. Last year, in December, we were all there. So I should see the guy that on here. Always sister to me.
I can give thanks to her. I'll give thanks to God and I'll give thanks to her. She is very deserving of this title, you know. When you think of my mum, you think of heart, you think of someone you can always talk to, someone you can always call, a house you can always come, a hot meal. I love her very much and I'm so grateful to have her. Congratulations, Mum.
A titled woman or a titled woman in Igbo land is also the custodian of the culture and tradition. She helps preserve Igbo customs by organizing or supervising traditional ceremonies, teaching younger women cultural values and etiquette, supporting festivals, marriages, and burial rites, promoting respect for family and community traditions. For the third part, she is a role model and moral influence. Titled women are usually expected to demonstrate integrity and wisdom, encourage peace and unity, mentor younger women and girls, promote good family values. There's also the economic and social development part to this role as well for women in Igbo land. Historically, many titled women were successful traders or influential business women. Their roles may include supporting community welfare, assisting widows or vulnerable families, funding projects such as schools, churches, or health centers, encouraging women's economic empowerment. A titled woman in Igbo land also undertakes advocacy. In some Igbo communities, titled women project the interests of women and children. They may intervene in domestic conflicts, social injustice, community welfare issues, matters affecting women. Mr. Elvis and several of the things I would love to say. Ngozi Azubike is not more than a friend, it's a family. Tonight, I'm here to join Azubike and Amechi family to celebrate this amazing woman, Mrs. Ngozi Azubike, born in a noble family to Nze and Lolo Chibundo Amechi of Umunze Amigo in Imo State. Many of you may ask, where is Amigo? Amigo is in the present day of Imo State in Wangele local government area, formerly in Olu local government in Igbo State. And if you know the history of Nigeria, you must have heard about the Jaja of Opobo, King Jaja of Opobo. King Jaja of Opobo is from Amigo. Though many people know him as a man from River State of Nigeria, but it's an Amigo man. Amigo has
ụbọchị taa dị ebube maka nkwado omenala anyị na-eme ebe ahụ ịṅụrị ọṅụ maka ada anyị, ada Igbo, nwa ama Igbo, kewa ama Igbo, kewa were ngwa ọdụ anyị nwoke ọ bụ nwa Chineke bụ n'okwu ọ bịara ụwa wite ngọzi, aha ya bụ ngọzi ya na-agọzi kwenu aka nri ya pụtara ihe ya mere ọha na eze ji gbakọọ ka anyị kwagiri ugwu ṅụrịa maka ada Igbo echiri ihe n'ama Igbo na mbido afọ a. So obi dị m ụtọ n'ebe ọ dị ukwuu.
Ana m asị ka Chineke onye kere eluigwe na ala, onye mara taa mara echi, ka ọ gọzie ada Igbo ngọzi azụike n'aha Jizọs. Amen. Ngọzi ka nwunye Azụbike nwa ma echi n'ama Igbo, Chukwu agọziela gị ọganihu obodo obi gị mma. Ngọzi ka nwunye Azụbike nwa ma echi n'ama Igbo, Chukwu agọziela gị ọganihu obodo obi gị mma. Ngọzi ka nwunye Azụbike nwa ma echi n'ama Igbo, Chukwu agọziela gị ọganihu obodo obi gị mma. Ngọzi ka nwunye Azụbike nwa ma echi n'ama Igbo, Chukwu agọziela gị ọganihu obodo obi gị mma. Sebastian Amechi, modern day assembly Lagos, Right Honorable Barrister Moha Amechi, Senator Commissioner, National Federal Assembly, representing Southeast Zone. Because you don't know me, because you don't know what they are. Adore, Vicky Wall, Adakada, Ngozi Amechi, Melekele Jumaya. Esi Adam is his leader, Amechi Agamu, Solar Head, Access Bank, Lagos.
happy to be here to witness the celebration of Ada Igbo. So it is an honor, and I wish her a progressive engagement with her community and the Nigerian community, because somebody with such an honor, a lot is expected of her. So Agache Yajishi Kengoji. That's my wish to her. Thank
good tidings of life. I'm so happy for her. I congratulate her on this great title. It is not an easy thing. It's a great honor, and we wish her well.
Ekele Chineke, iri jeyo, eshie gị echichi, Ada Igbo wa, ofobi Igbo. Chineke gozie gị, chukwa gị, udo ga-adịrị gị, dịrị ụmụ gị, dịrị di gị, dịrị ndị ebe unu niile, n'aha Jizọs. Amen.
Let's go.
anyị kelee Chineke n'ihi na ngozi ndị be anyị ndị ama Igbo community recognized ya na mbọ niile ọ na-agba ihe ọma niile ọ na-eme wee chie ya echichi echiri echichi ha na Disemba 2025 anyị nọkwa ndị alive mana ọ chọkwara ka ndị na-anọghị dị a soro ya ṅụrị ya kelee Chineke na echichi ọma echiri ya anyị na-asọ ọ ga-adịrị ya mma dịrị ezinụlọ dịrị ndị niile bere ebe a taa. Ndewo.
I'm happy to be here to witness the celebration of Ada Igbo. So it is an honor, and I wish her a progressive engagement with her community and the Nigerian community, because somebody with such an honor, a lot is expected of her. So Agache Yajishi Kengoji. That's my wish to her.
Because I support you 100%. Congratulations. We need more of this. Keep going. God is on your side and we also on your side. Keep going. Thank you.
Thank you very much.